Hello friends, today I have taken very good stock for you that will give you very good returns in coming days. Yes, all of my friends, that stock is Palantir Technology in stock. Friends, P stock now closed at $28.40 level on July 22nd, 2024. Friends, if you want, you can invest now on PLTR stock and you can earn good profit in coming days. Friends, Palantir Technologies and company market cap is $63,378 billion. Friends, Palantir Technologies Incorporated builds and deploys software platforms for the intelligence community in the United States to assist in counterterrorism investigations and operations. The company provides Palantir Gotham, a software platform which enables users to identify patterns hidden deep within data sets, ranging from signals intelligence sources to reports from confidential informants, as well as facilitates the handoff between analysts and operational users, helping operators plan and execute real-world responses to threats that have been identified within the platform. It also offers Palantir Foundry, a platform that transforms the ways organizations operate by creating a central operating system for their data and allows individual users to integrate and analyze the data they need in one place. In addition, it provides Palantir Apollo, a software that enables customers to deploy their own software virtually in any environment. Palantir Technologies Incorporated was incorporated in 2003 and is based in Denver, Colorado. Friends, Palantir Technologies Incorporated company related to technology sector, and it's working on software infrastructure industry. Friends, number of employees working on this company is above 3,800, and the company is headquartered located on Denver, Colorado, United States. Friends, you can clearly see on the chart of PL, our stock, the higher price was made on January 29th, 2021. Price was 358 us now. PLTR stock available in a very cheap rates, and here is very big opportunity for investment on PLTR stock, because from here bounce back chart pattern appearing now. Yes, all of my friends, in PLTR stock bounce back chart pattern began now and after rally from this level. So all of my FTR stock, and you can earn in coming days. Friends, you can buy pint and just take a delivery of PLTR stock 1 or 2 years. PLTR stock can bet trade at $754 level. So all of my friends, if you want, you can take a position now on PLTR. Safe not sub channel, please subscribe now because I will MGS days. So all of my friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel now. Friends, thanks for the watching. Stock News Sager.